Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a page break in Google Docs. So open up any web browser and go to the Google Docs website. So once you are here, if you are not signed in, then you need to sign into your account. Now open up the document in which you want the page break. Suppose I'm going to open up this document here. Okay, now you want the page break, then you need to place the cursor where you want the page break. Suppose I want it here. Okay, now there are two ways in order to do the page break. Okay, the first option is to press Ctrl plus enter on if you are on Windows, and you need to press Command plus enter if you are on Mac OS. So I am on MacBook, so I will press Ctrl plus enter. Okay, and now you can see page break just happened. Okay, now again I'm going to do undo here, and I will show you the second method. So the second method is to go to the insert option, and in the menu then you need to find the break option. Here is the break option, right? And you can see the first option, which is page break. You can also see the shortcut in front of it. So I'm going to press page break here, and now you can see page break just happened. So this is how easily you can add a page break in Google Docs. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.